Hello student, today we are going to solve some objective problems on pattern making. Objective part 1. We solve multiple choice type objective problems. Problems number 1. When a pattern is made in 3 parts, the top part is known as A dark, B check, C cope, D any one of the above. Top part of the molding box is called cope, bottom part is called dark, and middle part is called check. Number 2. A taper provided on the pattern for its easy and clean withdrawn from the mold is known as option A machining allowance, option B draft allowance, option C shrinkage allowance, option D distortion allowance. Correct answer is option B, draft allowance. Draft allowance is used for easy withdrawn of pattern from the molding box. Okay. Number 3. If an aluminum pattern made from a wood master pattern is to be used for gay cast iron casting, then the shrinkage allowance allowed on the wooden pattern should be option A 10 mm per meter, option B 16 mm per meter, option C 20 mm per meter, option D 26 mm per meter. Correct answer is 26 mm per meter. Okay. Number 4. The surface to be left unmachined is marked on the pattern by the surface of the pattern which are unmachined. Option A red color, option B yellow color, option C black color, option D blue color. Correct answer is option C black color. Black color is used for unmachined. Okay. Number 5. the surface to be machined is marked on the pattern by option A red color, option B yellow color, option C black color, option D blue color. Machine surface is marked by red color. This is option A. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following material can be used for making pattern? Number A aluminium, option B wax, option C lead, option D all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Aluminium used for pattern material, wax also use pattern material, lead also use pattern material. So correct answer is D, all of this. Okay. Question number 7. Metal patterns are used for option A small casting, option B large casting, option C complicated castings, option D large scale production of casting. Correct answer is option D. Metal pattern are used for large scale production of casting. Okay. Question number 8. Aluminium is the best material for making patterns because it is option A light in weight, option B easy to work, option C corrosion resistance, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Okay. Question number 9. When a pattern is made in 3 parts, the is known as a dag. Option A bottom part, option B middle part, option C top part, option D none of this. Correct answer is option A bottom part. Bottom part of the molding box is called dag. Okay. Question number 10. Which of the following material is not used for pattern making? Option A mica, option B wood, option C wax, option D plaster of Paris. Correct answer is option A mica. Mica is not used for pattern making. Okay. Question number 11. A pattern maker's shrinkage rules or scale considers option A all pattern allowance, option B only for shrinkage allowance, option C all materials to be cast, option D all materials of the pattern. Correct answer is option B. Shrinkage rule only use for shrinkage allowance. Okay. Now question number 12. The shrinkage allowance for cast iron pattern is option A 10 millimeter per meter, option B 16 millimeter per meter, option C 20 millimeter per meter, option D 26 millimeter per meter. Correct answer is option A 10 millimeter per meter. Shrinkage allowance for cast iron pattern is 10 millimeter per meter. Okay. Now question number 13. The draft or taper allowance on casting is generally option A 1 to 2 millimeter per meter, option B 2 to 5 millimeter per meter, option C 5 to 10 millimeter per meter, option D 10 to 15 millimeter per meter. Correct answer is option A 1 to 2 millimeter per meter. Taper allowance or draft allowance on casting is generally 1 to 2 millimeter per meter. Okay. Problem number 14. The metal pattern as compared to wooden pattern requires less. Option A shrinkage allowance, option B machine allowance, option C draft allowance, option D distortion allowance. Correct answer is option C draft allowance. In metal pattern as compared to wooden pattern required less draft allowance. Okay. Question number 15. The machining allowance provided on patterns depends upon option A type of casting or type of casting metal, option B size and shape of casting, option C method of casting use, option D all of the above or all of this. Correct answer is option D all of this. Question number 16. In die casting, machining allowance in pattern is option A small, option B large, option C very large, option D not provided. Correct answer is option D, not provided. In die casting, machining allowance in pattern is not provided. Okay. Problem number 17. Match plate pattern is used in option A Gind sand molding, option B bench molding, option C pitch molding, option D machine molding. Match plate pattern is used in option D machine molding. Okay. Question number 18. Which of the following materials has more shrinkage allowance? Option A cast iron, option B brass, option C lead, option D aluminium. Correct answer is option C lead. In lead, more shrinkage allowance is given. Question number 19. Loose piece pattern are option A sort of split pattern, option B use when the pattern cannot be done from the mold, option C similar to core print, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Loose piece pattern are used when the pattern cannot be done from the mold. Okay. Question number 20. Least shrinkage allowance is provided in the case of following: option A brass, option B aluminium, option C cast iron, option D steel. Correct answer is option A brass. In brass, least shrinkage allowance is provided. Okay. Problem number 21. Which one of the following is the negative allowance? Negative allowance means smaller size given to a pattern. Option A daft, option B sec or wrapping allowance, option C fillet and radius allowance, option D shrinkage allowance. Correct answer is option B sec or wrapping allowance. Due to sec and wrapping allowance, negative, this is the negative allowance. Pattern is made in smaller size. Okay. Now question number 22. In investment casting, The pattern is made of number A, wax, number B, plastic, number C, plaster of Paris, number D, ceramics. Correct answer is A, wax. In investment casting, pattern material is wax. Okay. Question number 23. Which of the following material is generally not used for fabrication of patterns? Option A, cement concrete. Option B, wood. Option C, metal. Option D, plaster of Paris. Correct answer is option A. Cement concrete is not used for fabrication of pattern. Okay. Now question number 24. Which of the following is not a type of pattern? Option A, gated pattern. Option B, match plate pattern. Option C, sweep pattern. Option D, orthogonal pattern. Correct answer is D. Orthogonal pattern is not a type of pattern. Okay. Question number 25. For large casting, the pattern material preferred is option A, ceramic. Option B, rubber. Option C, metal. Option D, wood. Correct answer is option D. Wood is used for large size casting. Okay.